How to redeem Disney gift card online. Hi guys, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to teach you guys on redeeming the Disney gift card online. So let's get started. Launch your favorite web browser and type in disneystore.com in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will reach to the official website of Disney Store, and in this page select any of the items you would like to purchase. For this video I'm going to purchase this Mickey Mouse Donut Loungefly mini backpack. Click on add to bag, then click on view full bag again. Now right here on this page, scroll down to the bottom and locate the promo code option and enter the correct form of your promo code in this field. After entering, click on apply, and this way you will be able to redeem your promo code. So this was all about it. This is how you can redeem Disney gift card online. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.